In this case study, we're going to be taking a look at how Messenger's use of itemit has helped them save money and improve operations. Jill from Messenger said, "itemit has made asset tracking easier. We can now say we are 90% there with asset tracking. The team were very helpful throughout my learning journey, with questions and issues sorted in a very timely manner." So who are Messenger? Messenger was founded in 2011 and is best known for its high-quality conservation, restoration and alteration work to listed buildings, stately homes, church buildings and unique dwellings. Like many construction and restoration firms, Messenger boasts a large, directly employed workforce and management team. Their regular clients include organisations such as dignitaries, the National Trust and English Heritage. Messenger uses itemit to track all of their electrical items, lifting equipment, construction equipment and health and safety equipment. Jill explained that before itemit we used people's memory and a board, but we just got too big. And with all the ever-increasing demands for rules and regulations, we had to put in place a process-driven system. We had no idea what we had or where it was. We were reliant on site personnel checking equipment because we had no idea when they were last inspected thoroughly. Large quantities of items just went missing. So what's changed since Messenger started using itemit? The site managers at Messenger are now being given training to use itemit and are able to source equipment from local sites as opposed to buying new, because they can see what is available in store. Jill said, "We usually know where things are now. Itemit has helped us in head office to know what they have on site. Itemit has helped us save money as we no longer buy new or hire as a first fall." If you would like to find out how itemit can help you track your assets, save money and improve operational efficiency, please reach out to the team. We would love to hear from you.